Today, we're diving into a hidden world right under our noses. We'll explore 5 random objects under the microscope and see details invisible to the naked eye. Here are our 5 subjects: a salt crystal, a fresh leaf, a piece of textile, a grain of sand, and a drop of water. Each one hides its own miniature universe. Let's start with a simple salt crystal. Under the 10x lens, we can see its basic shape and structure. At 100x, the facets and edges become clear, revealing a tiny geometric world. And at 400x, the crystal transforms into an abstract frozen landscape glowing with intricate detail. Next, a green leaf. At 10x, the veins are visible, creating natural patterns. At 100x, we see the cellular network, a hidden architecture beneath the surface. And at 400x, each cell appears as a miniature mosaic, revealing nature's precision and beauty. Now, a simple thread of fabric. 10x shows the twisted fibers. 100x reveals the microfibers interwoven like a tiny bridge. At 400x, the fibers form a complex landscape, almost like a miniature city of threads. A grain of sand might seem ordinary, but under the microscope, 10x shows its rough surface and jagged edges. 100x reveals hidden minerals and textures, and at 400x, it becomes an alien terrain, each tiny detail extraordinary. Finally, a single drop of water. At 10x, we see tiny bubbles and particles floating. 100x uncovers microstructures and movement within, and 400 years transforms the drop into a universe of shapes, alive with detail and mystery. The world around us is full of wonders, waiting to be discovered. These 5 objects remind us that even the most ordinary things hide extraordinary secrets. What will you explore next? If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more microscopic adventures.